Hello and welcome. I am Varsha Venugopal and today we bring you a major update from the national capital. Delhi is all set for its biggest administrative reshaping in decades. The cabinet has approved a complete overhaul of the revenue map, increasing the number of districts from 11 to 30. This major move comes under the vision of a one Delhi, one boundary, one window. The Delhi cabinet has announced that the city's revenue boundaries will now be aligned with those of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, the New Delhi Municipal Council and the Delhi Cantonment Board. For years, departments have struggled because one area often fell under a revenue district but belonged to a different municipal zone. This mismatch caused overlapping work, confusion during enforcement and delays in services like property registration, land record management and even complaint handling. With this restructuring, officials say Delhi will now have a cleaner, more coordinated system. Addressing the cabinet, Chief Minister Rekha Gupta said the change will greatly simplify multiple administrative processes from planning and enforcement to property-related work. She praised the NDA-led government and said Delhi had achieved this alignment in just 10 months. According to her, this initiative reflects Prime Minister Narendra Modi's practical vision of good governance. She added one Delhi, one boundary, one window. This decision brings the government closer and makes life simpler for every citizen. A gazette notification from the Revenue Department will be issued within the next 15 days. The new structure is expected to become fully operational by December 2025 and the 13 districts will officially come into effect from January 2026. Delhi will now have 13 districts and 39 subdivisions instead of 33 earlier. The new districts are Southeast, Old Delhi, North, New Delhi, Central, Central North, Southwest, Outer North, Northwest, Northeast, East, South, West. Each district will have 2 to 4 subdivisions. Some key subdivisions under the new setup include Southeast, Jangpura, Kalkaji, Badrapur, Old Delhi, Sadar Bazar, Chandni Chowk, North, Burari, Adarsh Nagar, Badli. New Delhi, Delhi Cant. Central, Patel Nagar, Karol Bagh. Central North, Sakur, Basti, Shalimar Bagh, Model Town. Southwest, Najafgarh, Matiala, Dwarka, Bijwasan. Outer North, Mudaka, Narela, Bhavna. Northwest, Kirari, Nagloi, Jat, Rohini. Northeast, Karawal Nagar, Gokalpuri, Yamuna Vihar, Sahadar. East, Gandhinagar, Vishwas Nagar, Patparganj and South, Chhatarpur, Malviya Nagar, Deloi, Mehroli. West, Vikaspuri, Janakpuri, Rajouri Garden. These are the subdivisions. Officials say the new arrangement will help balance workloads and reduce service delays, especially in densely populated areas. It will also improve coordination during enforcement drives, inspections, infrastructure work and disaster response, areas where mismatched boundaries earlier caused confusion and slow action. With Delhi's districts now reshaped for better coordination, the government hopes this move will make services faster and governance smoother for everyone. That was your detailed update on Delhi's new administrative map. Thank you for watching KTV India. I am Varsha Venugopal signing off.